Welcome back, ladies and gents, here with the boy T-Bone. So we're here at Seawood Park. We're going to be casting some live shrimp. And once we go through that live shrimp, we're going to see if we can catch some flounders and do the catch and release thing, because you know it's no flounder season. But we're going to...
Ladies and gentlemen.
You got the cork, so we're going to be using some live shrimp and burn through those shrimps and see if we can catch some speckled trout. They're still out there.
Yeah. Let's see what we catch, guys, and stay tuned for the video, alright?
Let's go, boys. There's something. Might be a flounder. Staying down. And it is a flounder, guys. Got me a flounder. I got me a flounder. Oh, okay. Got me a flounder on this close season, flounder season. Oh, look at that. That's a keep. Don't look like a keeper. But it's a flounder. And we're not fishing for keeping these boys, but check that out. Not a keep. Boy T-Bone said he do need a rug for his house. Sorry, brother. You're at the wrong place at the wrong time. We cannot keep these boys this time of year. Check that out, folks. Flounder, but if you look at Seawood Park, it says November 1st, December 1st, 0 flounders could be kept.
That is a life lesson.
Yeah. And we catch and release. Let's go, boys. Another flounder. Another one. They're all same size. Ooh, look at that. This one looks like a keeper, but you know, once again, we can't keep flounder because it's closed season. There it goes. Spit the hook out. Here, buddy, hold on. Check that out.
Why didn't we think about this?
These cold fronts really helped it out. Helped the flounder run a lot with the past cold fronts we had. Come on, Snapchat, do your thing. Ooh, easy, fella, easy. We're gonna release you. You're saved by the law. You know, this one looks like a keeper, but definitely not gonna keep because we don't want no ticket. There it goes. Oh, I think I might have one too. Oh no, they just took my shrimp. Oh yeah, I got one. That's right. Double up, guys, on the flounder skis. And the potato chips. He's gonna give you a spanking, bro.
Oh! I didn't even see it, bro.
Look at that, folks. Double up.
My bro.
He's like, this is the type of hooks as you guys want to get when you want to just release the flounder. Check this out. Just like that. 2 at the same time. I already got it out. Let me see. Folks, we're going to release this flounder. Boy T-Bone's still working on his. Thank you for fighting. Oh, he almost landed in the rocks. Oh my goodness. This one, like, I don't know if it was under a rock or what. But this boy literally like almost cut my line off. Little one. Check that out, folks. Yeah, he had it down. We had it down the hatch. You know, these flounder skis. We're putting here, let's open this mouth. My friend gave me one of those clamps to open their mouth, but I lost it. Oh, smack. He's getting all ready to get in the fryer, but sorry, buddy. You're undersized and it's not your time. Let's get that hook removed. We'll get you released, buddy. Check that out, folks. Flounderski. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. We had just taken the lead. Ooh, that's a good one. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Come on, boy. We have just taken the lead. Nice flounder. Sorry, buddy. He looks good, too. Look at that. Right on that cheek. On that mouth. Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's a fat one. Oh, yeah. It's a keeper. Oh, there it goes. Let's go. Oh, my God. This is a big one, dude. There's another big one. Let's go into the pond. Let's go, guys. We just sealed the deal with 3 points ahead. Look at that. That's another stud right there. Come on, buddy. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. You might have a hook. I know this hurt. Okay. We're up ahead by 3. Oh, yeah. Players. He got clipped in the gills a little bit, but he should be fine. He should be fine. Oh, T-bone's down. Okay. Check this out, folks. Big old flounders. They're moving in. There's not time to keep them, so let's go. We're up ahead by how many? 3 still? 2. Okay, okay. Wow. Got one on the shrimp tail. It's a good one, too. It's a good one. Oh, look at that. That's a big one right there on the shrimp tail. Big old behemoth. Yeah. Yes. I'm gonna take a quick picture. It hurts it. It hurts him. Put it in the grass. Woohoo! Big old flounder. Let's get the grip and the pliers. Check that out, folks. That's a solid keeper right there, too. Man, buddy. Probably. Let me see. I'm gonna measure him right here. 17. Big one, huh? Big girl, guys. They're moving in. This solid flounder right here. First cast with the shrimp tail. Oh yeah. If only flounder season was open. If only the flounder season was open, that'd be good right there. Well, ladies and gents, thank y'all so much for sticking to the end of the video. We had a pretty good night of flounder fishing. Yep. We were targeting the speckled trout, but they were not here. So the flounder were here. Definitely what we did is released every single flounder, because you guys know the flounder season is closed. But what a good day of fishing. We fished, it's currently 12:37, so we fished quite a bit. Usually we would have been gone, we wouldn't have caught anything, but thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. Till next time, peace.
Comment, like, share and subscribe the video. Shout out to Jim.
Oh yeah, shout out to Jim. He
Yeah.
was out there fishing with us.
Yeah, he was a chill
Subscriber,
guy.
yeah.
Relaxing. We was just
Funny guy.
funny guy, man. So
All right, till next time.
subscribe, guys.